Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon is failing to boot due to BIOS issues, you're not alone. This problem often arises when the BIOS settings become corrupted or outdated. If left unresolved, it can lead to further complications and might even render your device unusable. Don't worry, though, we're here to help you fix it. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a plastic spudger, and a new BIOS chip if necessary. First, ensure that your device is powered down and unplugged. To safely open the ThinkPad, use your spudger to gently pry the back cover away from the chassis, starting at one corner and working your way around. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the cover in place. Once open, you'll see the motherboard where the BIOS chip is located. The BIOS chip is a small rectangular component, usually situated near the battery. Carefully identify it and make a note of its position. To remove the faulty BIOS chip, gently lift it out of its socket using your spudger. Apply minimal force to avoid damaging the surrounding components. If you're replacing it with a new chip, align the new chip correctly and press it firmly into place. Ensure that all connectors and cables nearby are secure and not obstructed. Before closing up the device, double-check that everything is in position. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the back cover, ensuring all clips are seated correctly, and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Finally, power on your ThinkPad and check if it boots correctly. If not, you may need to revisit the BIOS settings through the BIOS menu. To help prevent these issues in the future, ensure your system BIOS is updated regularly and avoid sudden power loss by using a surge protector. Regular maintenance can go a long way in keeping your device functioning smoothly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.